Banks is on the beat.
This is like a little seating area. My mom is planning to put like photo frames and pictures here with like a little couch. And then to your left, this could probably be like a little dining area. We're not sure yet. And then when you look up there, you can see the second floor of the house. And there's my mom right there. So walking forward, the staircase is right here and you just go up and all the rooms are up there. And then right here is the guest bathroom. This is the guest room. If you guys want to visit me, this is where you'll be staying. That's the TV stand right there and the closet. And there's also a door to go into. Oh my God, I'm already breaking things. But that's the door to go into the guest bathroom. And there's another door right here too. Now this is the living room. It has a blue background right now, but my mom is gonna paint it into like white or cream or whatever, the same color as this. But yeah, this is it. That's the TV stand right there and the fireplace. This leads back out into the seating area. This is the garage. My mom's car will be, hopefully our little car too. Little pantry right here. That's where all the food is gonna be going. Your girl is about to get fat. Oh my God, yo, I'm so silly. The backyard is around here, but I will show that to you guys later. Let's go upstairs. Top of the stairs, there's a little closet right here. A linen closet. And the washroom is right across here with the washer and the dryer. And then this little thing right here says live, laugh, master bedroom. It is so huge. OMG. It is so big. Right here we have the TV stand. I don't want to show myself, but this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, OMG. And then across here we have the little bath, the standing shower. The walk-in closet is so big. But yeah, this is a walk-in closet, and then the toilet. Come back out here into the big room, and then this is her seating area. So she has a whole room, right? A bathroom, and then a little seating area. How cool is that? And another TV stand. And then this is a scary part. I don't know. I feel like if I open it, a ghost is just gonna pop out. But that leads to the roof. So there's like a lot of boards in there and stuff. I'm not opening that. I'm not opening it. We come out here into another seating area. I think my mom's gonna put like a little couch here, and there's gonna be another TV here, and we can look outside. That's our moving truck right there, and the garden. And And then we can look downstairs from here. So if you want to be nosy and be like, who just came in my house? You can see from right up here. You can see the guest here. That's my little sister. Say hi, Ariana. And then we're walking. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this cute pink chandelier. My mom's gonna take it down and put it into my room because it's like really girly. So it's gonna be in my room or my sister's room, but I call dibs on it first. So yeah, now this is my room. It has a TV stand right here. I'm gonna put my dresser right here and my bed right here. And I'm thinking of putting like some pictures up there or something. Like it's really cute up there, so I don't know, I might decorate that little area. Yeah. And that is my closet. Now this is my view from my room. There's some other houses out there. Across from my room is a bathroom. And the shower. And this is my sister's room. She already has her little mark, like, listen, this is my room, okay? She already put her stuff up. This is her view. She gets to see the backyard. I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. I can't show you guys too much right now. But yeah, that's her little TV stand and her closet, and she left her shoes in here too. She's like, listen, this is my room. Going back downstairs, I'm going to show you guys the backyard. They're cleaning the garage or whatever. This is the backyard. It is so beautiful. OMG, it's so pretty. This is what the backyard looks like. These are the other houses, and coming out straight, we have the fireplace. So we can like sit out here at night and have like marshmallows, make some s'mores. You want to make s'mores, Ariana?
Yeah!
Yeah! So yeah, for Christmas we might decorate these little trees. It's so pretty. And this over here, excuse me, here, okay, there. So this is like a little hot tub in the backyard. Actually has hot water. You can feel the steam. It's hot, right?
No.
It's not?
I don't feel nothing. I don't feel.
Is it hot?
No. I feel good. It's still warm.
It's warm, but you just said it wasn't warm. This is the back of the house. Oh, I almost fell. So that's it for today's video. I know I look like crap right now, but that's because I've been driving for like 20 hours to get to Georgia. Like, it was not a fun ride, and I was like really tired and stressed out. And yeah, that's why I got like bags under my eyes and everything. I look so shitty, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my little house tour. It's not my house, it's my mom's house, but I'm very proud of her. Like, clap clap to you, Mom. Like, I'm really proud of you, and hopefully this will be me soon. So watch out for my house tour soon, in like 5 years or so. But yeah. Are they laughing at me? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked the house tour, and if you have any suggestions about how should we decorate the house. Do you guys think I should paint my room a different color, or should I keep it the same? If you think I should change it to a different color, what color do you guys suggest? Or just comment whatever you think about the house. Like, what's your favorite part of the house? Comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, and share. Also, I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers if I haven't already, so I will be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away a product. So go follow my Instagram at Tovae.naturally to get all the information and the details. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for all the support and for making me reach 1,000 subscribers, or about to reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, like I'm really thankful, really grateful. Like I really appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much once again. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.